Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to add the card. First, get the 16-digit code or QR from your gift card and sign into your PlayStation Network account on the Ps5. Once signed in, open the settings quickly to confirm the console is online and running the latest system software, because updates can block store features. Now leave settings and press the PlayStation button to go to the control center. We'll jump straight into the store interface to redeem the code. Open the PlayStation Store on your Ps5 home screen and scroll to the bottom to find redeem codes. This is where the gift card becomes wallet funds. Enter the 16-digit code exactly using on-screen keyboard attention to zeros versus letter O. Once entered, the system will show whether it's wallet credit or specific content. Make sure the displayed amount matches the card. Confirm redeem, and the funds will deposit into your wallet, so you can purchase instantly or save for later. With funds in your wallet, buy a game or subscription. At checkout, choose your PS wallet balance as the payment method and complete the purchase. If the balance is insufficient, you can combine payment methods. If the code fails, first make sure the card region matches your PSN region and you entered every character correctly, then try redeeming on the PlayStation website. If issues persist, contact PlayStation support with the purchase receipt and code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.